Now we are going to check what are the best stocks to trade for tomorrow, Monday. We gave few calls in our last video. Let's check how it was performed Friday. First we gave Muthoot Fin, buy above 1566 with a stop loss of 1556. It's made a high as 159875, nearly 33 points. Next we give Tata Chemical, buy above 755 with a stop loss of 749. Targets are 760, 765 and 770. It's made high as 770, 75, nearly 16 points from our entry level. Next call we gave Ashok Leyland. We asked to buy above 125.50 with stop loss of 1 rupee. Nearly it's opened our first target and it's moved till to 137.50. Next, Exide India. We asked to sell below 174 with a stop loss of 175, but it's not given any opportunity for selling side. Also, few calls we given in our Telegram channel. The first call we gave SBI card, buy above 1022 with a stop loss of 1017. It's made high as 1040, nearly 18 points from our entry level. Next is Jindal Steel. We have to buy above 440.5. Stop loss is 437. It's made high as 442.5, nearly 2 points, and again it's fall down. The next is IRCTC, buy above 2326 with a stop loss of 2316. The targets are 10 to 15 points. It's made high as 2362, 36 points from our entry level. The next is Ashi India Glass Private Limited, buy above 369 with a stop loss of 364. Targets are 5 to 8 points. It's made high as a 408.30, nearly 40 points from our entry level. Next one is Bata India. We asked to buy above 1621 with a stop loss of 1613. Target 7 to 12 points. It's made high as 1634, nearly 13 points. Both the targets hit. Finally, Kotak Bank, buy above 1647 with a stop loss of 1640. Target 7 to 12 points. But unfortunately, it's hit our SL first time with 75 paisa. Again, it's zoomed to nearly 1670. Last Friday, totally we gave 10 calls. In 10 calls, one got SL hit and 9 calls are did very well. Now we are going to check what are the best stocks to trade for Monday. The first stock is Balakrishna IND. If you check in 15 minutes, it's already given a breakout of resistance area. Once again it's breakout, again it's came down, and again it's tested that level, and now it's moving further upside. We can buy above 2380 with a stop loss of 2368, 2392, and targets are 2300. If you check in daily time frame, it's continuously consolidating in the same point, and in last session it's made a strong bullish candle. We can expect it can move further upside. The next stock is Britannia. Currently Britannia is in a strong support area, and in last session we can see some buying pressure in that, and we can expect same buying pressure also in next session. Can buy about 3428 with a stop loss of 3412, and targets are 3444 and 3460. Next is Glenmark. In this area, Glenmark given as a breakout, and previously it was resistance, now it became a support It's already tested one time the support, and again it went move to the upside, and it's creating a trend line resistance. Again it's came to near support level, and in Thursday it's made a neutral candle, and Friday it's given a confirmation for upside. We can buy above 610 with stop loss of 605. The targets are 615 and 620. Next is Berger Paint. After moving upside, it's continuously fall down, and again it's retraced for few points for upside. Again it started falling down, and in Monday we can sell this Berger Paint. You can sell below 842 with a stop loss of 847. Targets are 837 and 832. The next one is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge is already broken the trend line support area, and it also broke on the support area, and again it tested the support area, and now started falling down. We can expect more fall from Bharat Forge. We can sell below 770 with a stop loss of 776, and the targets are 764 and 758. Thanks for watching my video.